Two more beds here. These are going to be corn. There's my corn. I planted them in the little cells there. And you'll read sometimes where people say you can't put corn in cells like that and then plop them in, but I've done it before in containers, so I'm going to give it a go in this bed. Spacing is going to be a little unique. I'll show you that once they're in there. So yep, this is sweet corn of mine. This is a cross, and now I'm taking it down. I'm trying to get a open pollinated variety, which means it's not a hybrid. Most corn are hybrid. And open pollinated, when you try to do that with corn, there could be degrees of inbreeding depression depending on the population size of what you're doing, but I'm going for it anyway because I can, and I just want to see if I can develop my own corn. So let's get to planting. I'll plant it up. We're planting about 6 inches apart, and I tried to orient the leaves going this way. That's something you can do if you grow them in cells first. My thoughts are they need root distance and leaf distance, some spacing. But in a raised bed, it might be possible to grow them a little denser. So I'm just kind of testing that. Beans are being eaten by bugs, so I gotta get them sprayed and do some replanting of those. I do have some extra corn from the cells up there. In case some of these die off, I can replant. And these are the no-weed raised beds. Now, I had to put some side dress with some nitrogen. I've been getting a lot of rain, and since I don't have these up on a watering system, I'm just using regular granular fertilizer, more nitrogen than anything else. Here's the green beans, and I had a good bit of insect kill-off, die-off, not die-off, kill-off is correct. And I've since replanted, and they've come back pretty good. So, just a little quick update on putting raised beds on top of nursery landscape fabric, or black mulch, if you want to call it that. Brent, we'll see you later.